Hi creatives, you're welcome to another interesting tutorial. On today's tutorial, I'll be sharing with you how to take some basic body measurements, right? This is a video I took to send to a client that is not in Nigeria so that it will help her take her measurements and then send out to me to make her dresses. So I just thought of putting it up here so that you will see how some basic measurements are taken. Not every measurement is in this video, but definitely a whole lot is here. Without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the video. So here is the video. To measure your shoulder, you measure from one shoulder tip to the other, just like this. So this is how you're going to place it and measure. Now the across chest, you put your tape just by the side of the neck and measure down 5 inches and then measure on that level across like this. That is the across chest. Now this is the bust. You measure the fullest part of the bust. Please, to measure your bust, wear a good bra. All the measurements concerning this bust, you must wear a good bra, please. Okay, so right here is the fullest part of the bust. Notice that I ensured that this tape is at that level of the bust, even at the back. Yes, the fullest part of the bust. One of your fingers can enter inside, it doesn't matter. Give me the exact measurement, don't add anything to it. So this is the bust level, yes, from the shoulder and neck to the nipple point. That is the bust level. Now this is bust to bust, from one nipple point to the other. Yes, that's the measurement I need here, from one nipple point to the other. So now this is the waistline, your natural waistline, which is usually about 2 inches from the upwards from the navel. So measure around there and give me the measurement. It's always 2 inches above the navel. It's not on the navel, it's about 2 inches above the navel, so you can measure around there. So the next is to tie something on this waistline, this 2 inches above the navel. Just tie something there so that we can measure the front length and the back length. Just use a rope, it must not be a tape. So measure from the shoulder and neck to under the tape, just like this, just underneath the tape, measure and give me the measurement. This is the front length. So I would also do the same thing for the back, leaving the tape on the waistline like this as well. Measure from the shoulder and neck to beneath the tape as well. Make sure that you tie it on a level, like horizontally on a level. Okay, so now this is the hip, the fullest part of the bum, please. That is what you're going to measure here for the hip measurement, the fullest part of the bum. So just, go around it like this. One finger can still enter as you're holding the tape, it doesn't matter, and give me the exact measurement. So this is the armhole. Just measure around the arm like this, just as I'm illustrating, and give me the exact measurement. So this is the sleeve length. Let it get to your wrist. Okay, that's from this shoulder tip to your wrist. That's the sleeve length. You can also measure around your hand. I did not show that one here. So this is the bicep. Measure down 5.5 inches here and measure around the biceps. Yes, 5.5 inches down from the shoulder tip and measure around. This is the value you give me for the biceps. Yes, for the biceps. So for this one, I have the blouse length. Still measure, put it at the neckline, side of the neck like this, and measure the blouse length. So from the waistline, that place I tied earlier, you're going to measure the skirt length, how long you want your skirt. Also from the shoulder and neck, you can measure the dress length. So that is it. I'll be expecting your measurements as soon as possible. Bye.